Hey there, wanting to get on the real estate train? The reels, Instagram reels, not real, not the real, yeah, the real estate. Instagram reels, watch this and I will share with you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and then also right after that, hit that bell so you're notified immediately of when I post a new video about social media for realtors. I myself have been growing a larger following all the time and getting consistent leads coming through my real estate business just by using social media. So I've had tons of experience and I've seen what's went right, what's went wrong, and I noticed a lot of growth when I started using Reels because Instagram's pushing them more, which again, great news for you if you're wanting to do Reels, so let's get into it. Like anything in social media, with Reels, you need to be consistent. Sorry to say that, but you need to be consistent. If you're just posting one Reel every couple of months, it's probably not, yeah, I mean, you're gonna get some reach, but if you can keep doing it consistently, say you post a Reel every day, or every, say, 5 days a week, you're gonna have a lot more growth than if you're posting one a month. Because the Instagram algorithm is going to work for you and see you keep giving out good content and you're entertaining people and you're keeping people on its platform, it's going to reward you and push your content out to more people because it sees that that's what they like. So again, yeah, be consistent. Just keep doing these reels. But yeah, let's get into it here now and show some examples. I'll pick up my phone and let's do this. Okay, here we go. I got my phone with me, so I'm gonna actually show you some tips right on my phone. We'll do a quick screen recording here and show you what we can do. So let's go to Instagram. I'm in there right now, and in the middle bottom here, let's click on that Reels button. And here we've got a bunch of Reels. So my first example, first thing obviously with any of these is you can go through Reels and get some ideas for yourself on what else you can post on there. So first one is go through and try to find some funny ones where they're mouthing something and you want to copy it. So here's one where she's introducing herself. So all you got to do is on the bottom here where it shows this where it shows the title here of the song, just click on that where it's Jay-Z, and it brings up this page, and you can go there and at the bottom hit use audio. So now that it's on me, I can just start, and I can't remember, so I'm not going to do it right now, but just give you an example.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Ho.
And you just do that, and then if you didn't quite get it right, well then you can go back and edit it. But then I go to preview.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Ho.
There you go. There's so I can then put some text on there saying what this video is about, kind of like what she did. Let me introduce myself. I'm a photographer, so on and so forth. So quick video tour. So you could do a video tour of a house. I'm in my office, so I can't really give you a great example. Well, let's try this. If I was just doing a tour of a room, I click and held, there's clip. Now I want to do this screen. There's clip. Maybe I want to do a quick kind of little thing of here. Maybe a really cool feature in the house. And oh, maybe I want to do the microphone. See, I'm just doing quick little pans and then letting go, and that's it. Maybe over here there's a globe. There you go. So if you were doing this as a house tour, you're maybe just showcasing, like, maybe there's a really expensive faucet or a piece of furniture that's staying with the house, something like that, and you're just getting quick little snippets of what the house is about. So now let's go to preview. See, there you go. There's a quick, and how easy was that? Now, again, I could edit some of these clips to make them shorter if I need to. So maybe if there's one here, it's like, oh, that was too long. Let's make it a bit smaller. I can do that. Go back. I can hit done. I can now add music to it by clicking this top music button in audio. There we go. So then I could, there's There's that Jay-Z one that had it saved in there. There's some different popular ones, and I could add that to my video. So very easy. That's another one. Do you enjoy creating reels? Are you new to reels? Let me know. Comment below. The next one is telling a story. So show your process of how you go through a deal from beginning to end. So maybe you're doing a quick one. This is, again, tough to do in my office, but maybe you're at your computer. It shows you at the computer. Just pretend I'm doing this. Some example, I'm typing on the computer, finding a house, and then the next clip is me, you know, maybe it shows me at the computer being like, found it. And then it shows, you know, the next one is you picking up the phone, whether you call or you text to your person, I found you the right house. And then you snap to another spot of you going to the house and viewing it, and then writing the offer, typing it up on the computer, and then dealing, and eventually you show the end shot of you handing them the keys and they get the home. So just showing, telling your story, the process of what you do as a realtor. And don't just stop with that, keep showing it all the time. Maybe you had something weird happen with the deal and you kind of make some fun of it and show how you got from point A to point B and how you made the deal fly. Number 4, this makes your life so much easier if you do this. So this is what I do a lot with my YouTube videos, because I'm recording right now. And what I'll do is when I'm done recording, so say if this is a 10-minute long video, I'll take that video and save it on my computer and then trim out certain pieces that maybe are really interesting. So if there was something that I thought would bring value to my audience and give them a good tip, I'll cut it out. So maybe it's just like, hey, do this one Instagram reel and this is gonna work really good for you. I'll clip that part out, I'll put it to my phone, and then I will upload it. So you see this bottom left where it gives you a bunch of options here. So there's some of my screen recordings, and then I could just upload it on here, and then that could be my reel. So if you think about this way, you could have an endless amount of reels because you're just providing good value and you've got a bunch of different shots. So if you see a lot of my reels, this is what I do. And then it makes it really easy to repurpose the content that I'm creating here and not have to think about something new that I always got to post on there. So yeah, a lot of different ideas here. These seem to be the best ones. Kind of do the repurposing, have some trending audio in there, do some quick shots of the house, and of course do some long form video, chop it down into this short format. There you go. You got it. You can do this. Good luck and have fun with it. So there you have it. There's some real ideas for you, and maybe you're wanting some extra ideas of what you could post on social media. If so, you're going to want to click on the link in my description below. In there, I have a free guide of a bunch of ideas that you can use on what to post as a realtor on social media. And when you're done here, don't forget to watch my prior videos that I've done on Instagram for realtors. And please, if this was beneficial, give me a like, subscribe, and share with your fellow realtor friends.